Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace a battery on your iPhone X. You can see it right here. So turn it off completely, make sure it's off. Shut it down, side button and then volume up. Come on, you can do it. Turn it off. Okay, once it's completely off, you'll need to remove 2 screws by the charging port. There's 2 screws, let's remove them. Okay, let's remove them. 2 screws removed. Now we need to lift up the screen. Use suction cup to lift it up a little bit. Try to be as close to charging port. Lift it up as much as you can and stick the prying tool inside, as you can see. And now go all the way around and lift it up the screen. Use suction cup to lift it up. Now you lift it up the screen completely. Get stuck in the front a little bit. Okay, here it is, came out. Now you'll need to unscrew. There's 5 screws right here on this plate. That's where all of the connectors plugged in. Let's unscrew all those 5 screws. Okay, now you can remove the plate. Once you remove this plate, you can see all the connectors. So once you remove this plate, all you have to do is just hit it up the back. There's 2 ways to do it. You can either pull on this. There's 3 things you can pull on them, but it's really hard to get to it. It's really hard unless you use like a tweezers or something. You have to pull them, but they were pretty easy. So I'm just gonna hit it up the back. I'm gonna close the screen for now. I'm gonna hit it up where the battery is. Okay, just need to hit it up pretty good. Okay, now once you hit it up, you can disconnect the screen if you want. I'm not going to do it. So just go between here and pull on it. It comes off pretty easy, as you can see. I just went under and it comes off. So this one, same thing. Go under and then pull it out. As you can see, it just came up. And like I said, as you can see, there's 3 things right here. You can, if you can get your fingers between, you can pull on them. As you can see, once you pull them, your battery will come out pretty easily. So that's the second way to do it. But my fingers are pretty big, so I can't get in. So as you can see, once you pull on it, on this stuff, the glue comes out. Just a little bit harder. So, okay, again, get a new battery, stick it in, make sure it has some adhesive, press it in, use adhesive, or as long as your new battery has adhesive, plug it in right here, put the plate back, install the plate, put the screws. By the way, all the screws, they're all different sizes, so make sure you remember which screws you're putting in and where. I'm just gonna use 1 screw, and then there's 4 more needs to be installed. And then close the screen. By the way, if you want to have it waterproof again, you'll need to buy a new seal. You will have to reseal this again. Otherwise, your phone is not gonna be waterproof anymore. So do it at your own risk. Make sure you understand all this stuff, and now you can install screen. Make sure the front goes in first, stick the front first, and then go on the sides all the way around, press and install those 2 screws, the last screws, as you can see. Make sure you tie them really well. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.